my friends. Today looks like it's gonna be a nice day. The weather has been really neat, cloudy, and yesterday rains. Anyway, we just got to the point. We want to share this truck. Police call us to go in recovery, but as you see, is completed burnout. You can see us inside, all the way around. So as you can see, it's pretty bad shape. So now the owner come and give us a title, and we're just ready to dispose of this vehicle to the wrecking yard. And but luckily, nothing bad happened to the owner. He escaped. You can see this side, he's more bad. Hey, come over here, the camera, and you can look at it. See something that you can. And this happened probably because maybe a bad connection, you know, electrical problem little bit, and look it, the hot truck is burned out. Anyway, folks, we're planning to take it to the wrecking yard. Thank you for watching. This is off-road, it's affordable off-road recovery.